If you're thinking about buying Blaze.ai, there are a few key things you need to know before making the purchase. This tool offers powerful AI solutions, but it's not for everyone, and it might not always be the best fit depending on your needs. Stick around because we'll dive into 7 things you should consider before buying Blaze.ai, and by the end, you'll know exactly whether it's the right tool for you. First off, Blaze.ai positions itself as an all-in-one AI tool for automating various aspects of business operations, from lead generation to customer service. But how does it stack up against competitors? Tools like Jasper and Copy.ai also promise similar results, but Blaze.ai stands out for its ease of use and user-friendly interface, especially for businesses with minimal AI experience. It's more intuitive compared to the more complex setups of some other platforms. And of course, Blaze.ai offers a free trial, which is a fantastic way to test its capabilities firsthand. You can get the best deal through the first link in the description below and try it out completely free. Next thing, Blaze.ai excels in data-driven automation. If you're used to more manual work, you'll appreciate how quickly Blaze.ai can analyze customer behavior, segment audiences, and suggest improvements for your marketing campaigns. Unlike some competitors, which can feel like you're just plugging in data without real-time insights, Blaze.ai gives you actionable reports that let you pivot and optimize on the fly. It's a big win if you're looking to scale efficiently without getting bogged down in numbers. The third thing to consider is its integrations. If you're using other tools for CRM, email marketing, or project management, you'll be glad to know that Blaze.ai integrates with major platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, and Zapier. It's an important factor when choosing any automation tool, having that seamless connection with your existing setup. Some other tools have more limited integrations, which can cause friction as you try to piece everything together. Blaze.ai, on the other hand, ensures that syncing with your current systems feels effortless. Now, the fourth thing, and a potential deal breaker for some, is the pricing. Blaze.ai isn't the cheapest on the market, but it's priced competitively given its capabilities. When you compare it to tools like Jasper or Copy.ai, which charge more for access to premium features, Blaze.ai's pricing structure can actually offer more value if you're looking for a comprehensive AI tool that covers various aspects of your business. However, if you're just looking for a single function tool, you might find cheaper alternatives that better suit your needs. The fifth thing you should know is Blaze.ai's scalability. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, Blaze.ai has options that cater to both ends of the spectrum. Its flexibility is one of its strongest points, allowing you to grow and adapt your subscription as your needs change. Competitors like Jasper, while powerful, sometimes hit a wall when scaling up due to rigid plans or restrictions. Blaze.ai, on the other hand, is designed to grow with you without locking you into long-term commitments or complex pricing models. The sixth thing worth mentioning is the learning curve. While it's user-friendly, Blaze.ai still requires some initial learning to get the most out of its advanced features. It's not completely hands-off, and if you're a beginner in AI tools, you might need to invest a little time in understanding how the platform works. But once you get the hang of it, the automation is almost seamless. Competitors like Copy.ai or Jarvis often require more time to master their customization options, making Blaze.ai a better choice for those looking for something more intuitive. The seventh and final thing to consider is customer support, Blaze. AI offers a robust support system, including a comprehensive help center, tutorials, and responsive customer service. This is something that sets it apart from many other AI platforms, where support can sometimes feel like an afterthought. If you run into issues or have specific questions, you won't be left in the dark with Blaze.ai. They are proactive in making sure you have the resources you need to succeed. So, if you're ready to take the next step with Blaze.ai, make sure to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and unlock exclusive benefits. That way, you can dive into the platform risk-free and see if it's the right fit for your business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your AI game.